How to delete an exness account. When you log into your exness account, when you look at the down bottom right corner, you can see the chat icon. Just click on it, okay? It is an exness assistant helpline that can assist you to do whatever thing that you want with your exness account, okay? First, when you click on it, you are going to chat with the bot, okay? It is an automated response that will come. Just try and then select the best of it. That will allow you to chat with a live exness account assistant, okay? So just keep on selecting any of them, and then when you get here, select no, please transfer me to live support, okay? Then the bot will transfer you to a live support assistant who can help you with this issue, okay? So when you get the live support assistant, just like this one, what you are going to tell this assistant is that you want to delete your exness account. You don't want to trade anymore. So this live support assistant is going to give you exactly this information regarding how to delete or terminate your exness account, okay? So this is what you have to follow. It is saying that in regards to terminating your exness account, kindly email support@exness.com and then follow these steps. You have to provide them with your trading account number, the support pin, or date or amount of the last completed, done or rejected deposit or withdrawal transaction, and then the reason for account closure, okay? So all I have to do is to just simply highlight this and then copy it, okay? Put it down. So after copying it, the next thing I have to do is to end the conversation, okay? Just close the conversation, come back into your exness account, and then the next thing is to find out your account information. So if you look at the three dots, just click on it and then go to account information, okay? So this is the information that you are going to provide to them, okay? That is the type of account that you are using, the name of account, and then the MT5 login number, okay? Just copy all of them and then come to your Gmail and then click on compose, okay? The next thing I have to do is to paste all the information that you have gathered here, copy the support@exness.com and then put it to the to place, and then the subject, put there delete my exness account, and then make it a simple composed email just like this and click on the send, okay? So when you go to the send, you will see that we have sent it and they are going to get back to us within 24 hours. So this is how to delete or terminate your exness account permanently. Thank you for watching it, and then see you in my next video.